Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video we will see what's new in SolidCAM in the area of HSR and HSM. I have a roughing toolpath here which was generated with HSR in this pocket, which is approximately about 85 millimeters width. And I have used a tool diameter here of 52 millimeters with a corner radius of 252 R2 bullnose. So naturally I'll have material left out in the corners, and I would like to use a rest rough to clear that area. So I have a rest rough toolpath here, and I'm using a tool of diameter 10 with a corner radius 1, and I have got an option here where I have my depth of cut of 1 millimeter and tolerance of 0.1, and my offset is 0.5 millimeters. So let's calculate the toolpath. Okay, so I have a toolpath here where I get two regions, and in the new version of SolidCAM we have got an option here in edit passes where we can join gaps of regions which are more than 24 millimeters or less than 24 millimeters. The regions will be joined. So now I have a width of 85. So if I put a value of 100 millimeter here and calculate the toolpath, you will see that both the regions now will be joined together to generate a single region of toolpath. You can see that now I just got one region of toolpath. No longer the tool is going to go between the two regions. It's just created a single region here. What it has done basically is it has joined the gaps between the two toolpaths of 100 millimeters or less. If the gap is 100 millimeters or less than 100 millimeters, they will be just joined to create one unified region. Let's make this again back to 24, recalculate this to get back the original toolpath as it was. And we will see the next parameter, which is the pass extension. What I can do here is I can put in a value of, let's say, 10 millimeters, and this passes will be extended by 10 millimeters on either side of the toolpath, so that when the tool cuts the geometry, it doesn't directly get into the area, but it gets kind of an extension. Now the extension of 10 millimeters was too much here, so it again generates a unified toolpath. Instead of that, I would like to make 5 millimeters, and let's calculate this toolpath. So you can see that the toolpath was extended 5 millimeters on either sides by SolidCAM, so that it gets a nice extension and the tool can easily get into the material without directly entering into the volume straight away. Thank you very much for watching this video.